Stop eating these 9 foods if you're a senior. Over 60? Never eat these. Are you over 60? Did you know that what you eat can dramatically impact your health and well-being? This video reveals 9 food groups seniors should seriously consider avoiding to live a healthier, more vibrant life. As we age, our bodies change, and our dietary needs evolve. What we could eat in our younger years might not be the best choice now. A healthy diet is crucial for seniors to maintain energy levels, support bone health, and boost the immune system. It's the foundation for a long and fulfilling life. Seniors are often more vulnerable to food-related health issues. This includes foodborne illnesses, medication interactions, and chronic conditions exacerbated by poor diet. This video aims to identify problematic foods that can negatively impact senior health. We'll provide practical advice and healthier alternatives. High sodium intake can significantly raise blood pressure, increasing the risk of heart disease and stroke. It's a silent killer that many seniors unknowingly consume too much of. Processed foods are notorious for their high sodium content. From frozen dinners to packaged snacks, they're often loaded with salt. Canned soups, while convenient, are another major source of hidden sodium. Check the labels carefully and opt for low-sodium versions or homemade alternatives. Deli meats, like ham and salami, are also packed with sodium. Limit your intake and choose fresh, lean protein sources instead. We recommend limiting your intake of high-sodium foods to protect your heart health. Read labels, cook at home, and choose fresh ingredients whenever possible. Sugary drinks contribute to weight gain and can lead to obesity. Excess sugar is stored as fat, increasing the risk of various health problems. These sugary treats significantly increase the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. This is a serious condition that can lead to many complications. Processed sweets promote inflammation throughout the body. Chronic inflammation is linked to various age-related diseases. Examples of sugary culprits include soda, candy, and pastries. These offer little nutritional value and can wreak havoc on your health. Choose natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup in moderation. Fresh fruits are a much healthier way to satisfy your sweet tooth. Fried foods are high in unhealthy fats, particularly saturated and trans fats. These fats can clog arteries and increase the risk of heart disease. These foods have a negative impact on heart health, raising cholesterol levels and increasing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Protect your heart by avoiding them. Fried foods can also cause digestive issues, such as heartburn and indigestion. The high fat content can be difficult for seniors to digest. Opt for baked or grilled options instead of fried foods. These cooking methods are much healthier and retain the flavor of the food. Seniors are at an increased risk of foodborne illnesses due to weakened immune systems. Raw or undercooked foods can harbor harmful bacteria. Raw meat, such as steak tartare, can contain dangerous bacteria like E. coli and Salmonella. Always cook meat thoroughly to kill these pathogens. Raw fish, like sushi, can also carry parasites and bacteria. Choose cooked seafood options to minimize your risk. Raw eggs can contain salmonella, which can cause severe food poisoning. Ensure eggs are cooked thoroughly before consumption. Cook food thoroughly to a safe internal temperature to kill harmful bacteria. Use a food thermometer to ensure accuracy. Grapefruit can interfere with the absorption of certain medications. This can lead to either reduced effectiveness or dangerous side effects. The interaction between grapefruit and some medications can be dangerous. It can alter the way your body processes the drug. Consult your doctor or pharmacist before consuming grapefruit if you are taking any medications. They can advise you on potential interactions. High-fat dairy products contribute to cholesterol issues. Saturated fats in these products can raise LDL, bad cholesterol levels. These products can cause digestive discomfort, such as bloating and gas, for some seniors. Lactose intolerance can also become more prevalent with age. Choose low-fat alternatives like skim milk, yogurt, and cheese. These options provide the same nutrients with less fat. Alcohol can interact with medications, potentially causing dangerous side effects. It can also impair judgment and coordination. Alcohol impairs balance and coordination, increasing the risk of falls. Falls are a leading cause of injury among seniors. Limit alcohol consumption or avoid it altogether. Talk to your doctor about safe alcohol consumption levels. Caffeine can interfere with sleep, leading to insomnia and daytime fatigue. Getting enough sleep is crucial for overall health. Caffeine can exacerbate anxiety, causing nervousness and restlessness. It can also trigger heart palpitations in some individuals. Limit your caffeine intake, especially in the afternoon and evening. Opt for decaffeinated beverages instead. Certain cheeses, particularly soft cheeses, can harbor harmful bacteria like Listeria. Listeria infections can be particularly dangerous for seniors. Soft cheeses like Brie, Camembert, and Feta are more likely to contain Listeria. These cheeses are often unpasteurized. Choose hard, pasteurized cheeses like Cheddar and Swiss. These cheeses are less likely to contain harmful bacteria. We've covered 9 food groups that seniors should consider avoiding or limiting. These include high-sodium foods, sugary drinks, fried foods, raw foods, grapefruit, high-fat dairy, alcohol, caffeine, and certain cheeses. A balanced diet and healthy choices are essential for maintaining good health as we age. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods. Consult a healthcare professional or registered dietitian for personalized dietary advice. They can help you create a meal plan that meets your specific needs. Prioritize your health and make informed food choices. Small changes can make a big difference in your overall well-being. Ready to take control of your health? Download our free guide to healthy eating for seniors. Click the link in the description to access delicious recipes and expert tips. Share this video with your loved ones and subscribe for more senior health tips.